Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Epson printer to Wi-Fi Direct Instant Fix step by step clearly. To connect your Epson printer to Wi-Fi Direct, start by ensuring your printer is powered on. Locate the printer's control panel. Press the Home button on the panel. Navigate to the Setup menu using the arrow keys. Select Network Settings from the options available. Choose the Wi-Fi Direct option. Activate Wi-Fi Direct by selecting Enable. Once enabled, the printer will generate a Wi-Fi Direct name and password. Review the Wi-Fi Direct name and password displayed on the screen. Next, go to the device you want to connect to the printer. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your device. Search for the Wi-Fi Direct name of your Epson printer in the available networks. Select the printer's Wi-Fi Direct name to connect. If prompted, enter the password displayed on the printer. Wait for the connection to be established. Once connected, your device will confirm a successful connection. To print, open the document or image you wish to print. Select Print from the Applications menu. Choose your Epson printer from the list of available printers. Adjust print settings if necessary, then click Print. Your document will now print directly from the device to the Epson printer via Wi-Fi Direct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.